going to be working with As I Am products. I necessarily work on this. This is not a sponsored video at all. I just, if you've seen the last video, I went and did I went to Sally's and bought the As I Am line, the Long and Luxe line. And I said I was going to let everybody know how it worked out on my hair. So that's what we're about to do now. Just did a video of the black rice water. If I haven't said it before, I'm gonna say it again, which I'm pretty sure I did. I'm going through postpartum shedding, so I'm having to do that to help bring my hair, make it more stronger, get it back growing, and fill all these thin spots in. So that's gonna be my journey for the next few months, probably all the way up until spring hits. All right, so I got my hair sectioned off in threes, and then I split this section in half. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the leave-in, the oil, and this Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which smells oh so yummy. You got your coat on? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. I like your coat. It's pretty. Little Tweety bird. My little Tweety bird. Ooh, honey. Oh, I smell it now. Smell it. Oh no.
Yeah, her poop's getting worse.
Jesus Christ.
She's in the full turd stage.
I see why they have to do this, because the camera just don't be like getting it. There we go. I think it's like a refresher. You know, like when your hair starts to dry out, you can spray it on your hair and then do what you're gonna do. I'm not a wash and go type of girl because I've really never really. Absolutely not.
See,
I've never really.
Ooh,
this gel ain't mixing in with this good at all.
It's sitting on top.
Yep. Ooh, I hate when it does that. I don't like that.
Do you need more water on your hair?
I mean, I probably could break it down and make it juicier.
Okay, Lynn.
There we go. I know it's doing something.
Okay. How's it?
That's just the side. Oh, Lord.
See you again.
Carrie, go play. And I'm not gonna say it again.
PJ.
Girl, she's starting to talk.
Yeah, she's in the mine.
Oh, Lord. Kyrie, stop.
Mine.
Yep, they definitely gotta wake up Kira. They got black rice water in there, be careful. It stank.
Playing your products. Why not?
That's what Rachel was over here doing, fucking with shit.
What?
It's like, what are you doing? So I'm just trying to sniff it.
You got the stash. I ain't been able to build my stash up yet.
I ain't really got a stash.
I bought me some As I Am leave-in conditioner yesterday, but I still need like a whole list of things. I want to try the Camilla Rose.
You can get that definition that you want.
Another thing that bothers me, you ain't even call it as what she's doing, whatever we do. You still hung up on why I ain't talk to you. Don't worry about why I ain't talk to you. Think about what she's doing.
Exactly. That's what they do.
You got a million. You free all day, every day. I'm not. So yeah, 9 times out of 10 when you text me,
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
I have to stop talking to your ass. He's so used to you being up his ass. That's what that is.
Yeah. He's thrown off. He's so busy me responding to every message or every phone call.
Trying to hang out.
But now that I'm not.
He's wanting that old Toba back.
But now that I'm not, he's lost.
But he messed that up. You did that.
You cheated and had a whole baby. What?
How do you not? Like, that should be something that you expect. Like, well, I did, you know. Because if he really wanted to actually make amends, you would be going over the fucking moon to make some shit happen, and you're not. You're expecting. After a very long day of getting my hair together, this is the results. I put these clips on it. I'm actually just trying something to see if it works, but because I plan on wearing my hair twisted out like this, I don't want it to dry and shrink up because my shrinkage is serious. So I decided to put these clips on there, and because I did 3 on each, I even did maybe 3. I think it's 3 in the back too. I think. Anyway, well, they have a little weight on them when you put them all on there, so it's helping it dry with length versus it being shrunken. I'm not gonna sleep in them. I'm just kind of giving it a little bit of stretch to see if I can just, I mean, I don't want it to be shrunken up while it's drying. So that's why I put these clips on here. I will say the As I Am Long and Luxe. When I say wash cleanser, I swear that stuff is like butter on your hair. It like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's so silky and smooth, and as soon as you get it on your scalp, it's like your fingers can just run through it. Now in my case, it took a little bit of TLC to get it together, but once I got the deep conditioning out the way and detangling, it was a go. I did do a protein treatment with black rice water, so that helped me out a lot. I did feel like my hair kind of got a little bit of strength, like it's making it more strong. I can feel it as it was drying up in certain areas. I will say my hair was a bit dry, so I had to add these products, and these products made my hair nice and juicy. My ends was feeling a little dry, so I put a lot of extra care on my ends. Let's see. Yeah, those curls look nice and juicy, moisturized. So I use the Grow Wash cleanser, and then I use the leave-in conditioner, which is the pomegranate passion fruit grow yogurt. This whole line is the bomb. Just the difference from the regular As I Am to this is they stepped their game up a whole lot. I mean, I think that's gonna be my permanent my stable product. I mean, I still like to kind of dipple and dabble in other products to see how well it works on my hair, but this is gonna be my go-to as far as my hair. I need to get back to co-washing it anyway. I used to co-wash all the time, and now that they have so many different products that has shampoo and no sulfates and no parabens and all this stuff, it just makes you want to use the shampoo. But I'm gonna go back to the old what I want to say, the old routine that I used to have, which was co-washing it every week, and then once a month I would do I would shampoo it just to get the buildup off my scalp. But I'm about to go back to the basics. As I Am, y'all did y'all thing. All these products, I just love it. I actually do. I'm not gonna take these down and like wear it out in a twist. My forehead is so oily. I gotta wash my face. I'm not going to take these down and wear it out. I'm gonna just leave it up like this, because like I said, with my postpartum shedding, my hair it's going through its phase of shedding and falling out and drying up, and I just need to basically, excuse me, I don't know what's going on. I just basically need to keep my hair in a protective style. So I don't know how long that's gonna last, because y'all know I love wearing my twist outs and my braid outs, but I'm gonna try to protect it and keep it, you know, in a state where it doesn't have to break, or I mean, if it sheds, hopefully it's minimal. So I did use the As I Am Restore and Repair water. So if my section was dry, spritz that on there first, and then followed with the leave-in conditioner, and then I did the oil, and then I did the cream. And of course, which I forgot to show y'all, my fave, Eco Styling Gel for my styler. So I would definitely recommend this product. As I Am, like I said, they are doing their thing. It makes me kind of want to try the blue one, which I forgot what that one says, but it makes me just want to see what that blue. What I will say about As I Am Long and Luxe, the product is very thick, so a little goes a long way. I thought with this little bitty bottle, because honestly I feel like this is small. With this little bottle, I just knew I was gonna go through half of it with this one, but I only put a little dent in it. Where's it at? Here. I only put a little dent in it. Literally, I even use the oil on my scalp and all over my hair, and I'm still at the top of the bottle. So I can get actually a good amount of usage out of these containers, these bottles. It's the product itself, should I say. The product is very thick. So, which is perfect because my hair is thick and it needs all of that moisture and oil. So If you all have used the As I Am Long and Luxe, comment down below. Let me know what you think or how I did your hair. If you want to see a certain style or like a braid out twist out, if it's something that you want to see that I haven't done for you, definitely put it in the comments below. I am going to be doing other styles. I'm going to start venturing off. I have like, you know, like roller sets and perm rods, and I haven't done a good twist out with a perm rod in a long time. So I'm gonna start getting back to those type of styles. Start testing other products, and there's a lot of different things I haven't got a chance to do because I've been gone for so long. But now I'm about to start really getting in there and doing a lot of different experimenting and testing and trying things out. These clips I purchased from Amazon. I'm gonna put in the description box below the link in case you want to purchase it. I got 9 of them, or is it 12? Let me look here. 3. Yeah, how many I got down back here? So it's 12 of them. You get 12 in a pack, and I believe I didn't really pay that much for them. I honestly don't remember how much it is, but I'm gonna put it in the description box. If you want to purchase that, I'll put the link in there. I really like these. These are called Crocodile Clips. And they are so much better than those little butterfly clips. The butterfly clips used to catch my hair and pull it and break it. I couldn't stand it. These, I adore. I love them. So if you haven't tried these, definitely go purchase and purchase this from Amazon as well. I'll put this in the description box as well. And I'll put that link in there so that you can purchase that as well if you're interested. This Long and Luxe As I Am is that-ish. If you haven't tried it, go purchase it. But I do appreciate you all watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please don't hesitate to DM me on my Instagram at majesticcurls_. I do respond back. I also respond back on my comments. So any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I will always respond. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Smash that like button and definitely share this video. So thanks for watching, and you all have a blessed night. Love you, mean it. So this is the finished look. I guess I can put a couple more over here. Oh no, there you are. They was hiding. There you are. Put some gold pieces, a couple of seashells. I got it from my local hair store. And this is the finished look. I actually love it. I'm gonna keep doing this. Kira, what you think, Mama? You think Mommy looks pretty? No? Yeah. Say Mommy looks pretty. What happened to your clip? You lost your clip. Yeah, I'm going to get you a clip. I'm going to put a seashell in your hair. Yeah, girl, seashell. So yep, I went to the local hair store. I bought some of those gold clips. And I just kind of randomly put them, just randomly throughout my hair. My twist, I didn't put like a whole bunch. I bought a package. This big, and I just use this top part right here. The finished look. I love it.